are going to design a hex nut, which is pretty simple. We're going to design an M20 nut just for sake of some standard dimensions. Here click on the center, create a circumscribe polygon from the create menu. Just enter 15 because that's the size of the polygon that we are looking for, because it's an M20 nut, and that's it. And now we're gonna just extend it for a dimension of 16 millimeters, because that's the size of the thing. Again, is a standard dimension. We're gonna place a hole, then only it can become a nut. You know, right? Just select the plane where you want the hole to be. We want it here, so we're gonna select that, and we're gonna select two references, that which is going to be 15 each, because we want it in the center. And we're gonna just move it like this, so that we can enter the diameter of this, and we're going to enter that. And after that, we are just clicking all the way, because we wanted the thing to go all the way. Now we're gonna put the countersink and make the whole tab, so that you get this threading there. Now we're gonna scroll down. If you don't have a check mark over here, then you'll have to check it, because if it is checked, then you have its solid 3D thread. If it is not checked, it will be just an image. Okay, so we want it checked, and after that, you're just gonna click enter. That's pretty easy as that. No much, not a rocket science anyway. So we have this nut here, but as you can see, there is a small difference. We don't have this chamfer here now, and we want this chamfer because that's what makes a nut a nut. Yeah, at least apparently, who knows. We're gonna just select this base plane. In the side, we want the view to be in the like this, like the 3-1. Here, you just click here. It's just a little bit tricky. You can use it with the normal chamfer tool. That's the reason why many people are looking for the hex nut video. Anyway, we're gonna click here, and we're gonna just move it like this, and we want it to be 2 millimeters. Simple as that. And this was 2 millimeters, because that's what we are looking for, 2 millimeters. And we're gonna just create a triangle after this. Just click over here and just click right away, so you get a 3D close polygon. Yeah, that's it. And now what we have to do is just click revolve. It's already selected now, and now we're gonna select the axis. We're gonna select this green axis, because that's what we want, and it's already cut all the way. Just click OK, because that's all we want to do. Now we have chamfer on one side, but if you want chamfer on the other side as well, it is pretty easy this way. We're gonna construct a midplane now. Select this and select that, and we have a midplane now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just mirror the whole features all the way down on these edges, because that's a feature. And we're gonna select plane 1, click OK. Now you have this. Now you have a very good looking nut, and that's easy as that. It's easy as that. So if you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask that in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, and if you understood something out of this, then please hit the like button. It will be a lot of encouragement for me. And thank you, and have a fantastic day to all of you and me, everybody in the world. So that's all for time being. Thank you, and have a nice day. Let's stop with such a view.